How to use Outlier AI. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily start using Outlier AI. So if you don't know about this platform, then let me tell you that Outlier AI is that platform which is able to connect the companies with the freelance artificial intelligence specialists for the short-term projects. So they position themselves as a high quality freelance marketplace offering access to vetted AI talent. So over here, in order to start using this platform, what you need to do is you need to simply search for Outlier AI, and then you will be landed on the official website of it. Here you just have to click on the login button in the top right hand corner, and then you just have to click on this sign up button in the bottom. After clicking on sign up, you will be able to see various types of options with the help of which you will be able to create your account on it, such as you just have to first agree to the terms and conditions, and then you need to click on the sign up with Google. After selecting your email address, you just have to fill out these details. First you need to fill your education, and then you just have to provide your work experience. Then you need to verify your identity and your phone number. After that, you need to pass a skill assessment to determine you are fit for the projects or not. So this way you will be able to get started with Outlier. Now once you are accepted on Outlier AI, now is the time to search for jobs. For that, you need to click on the view jobs option, and then you will be able to see the current job openings. So as you can see that there are various job openings available, so you just have to choose any of these as per your expertise and the skill sets. Let's say I have selected this one that says AI developer, which is a part-time work. So you just have to click on it, and they have given you the detailed description for this job. So you will have to read each and every information that is available over here, like the responsibilities, your qualifications, and some of the other information. They will also give you the pay per hour, which is $30 per hour for this project. So if you want to willing for it, and if you want to apply for it, then you need to click on the apply now button. After that, if you already have an account on LinkedIn, then you just have to simply click on apply with LinkedIn, and it will redirect you on the LinkedIn platform, where you just have to simply click on the apply button. If you don't have the LinkedIn account, then you just have to fill out these details, upload your resume and CV, your provide your first name, last name, email address, phone number, then some of your qualification details over here. After that, you just have to provide some of the other information in this section, and then click on the submit application button. Now once this step is done, you just have to wait for a few days until you get any response from them, or they are going to tell you whether you are selected or rejected for this project. So this is how you can easily start using Outlier AI. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.